This is the video walkthrough and construction update for 5426 Devil's Gate. This is at the Coves of Knox Ridge in Converse, Texas. So we're still waiting on power for now. We anticipate to have that by the end of the month. With that being said, we're targeting a June 15th closing as of today. But let's get in here and see. Interior's pretty much done. They haven't been able to obviously put in mechanical and HVAC stuff because we don't have power. But fencing's up. Yeah, once we have power, we'll be good to go. CPS is out here right now, actually, so that's a good sign. I love the color of these cabinets in here. Just makes it pop, makes it look really good. They'll be pouring, as you can see, they're next door right now, but they'll be pouring the walkways today for the front door. We're in a really nice lot because you're at the start of the green belt, and I like that. Pretty level yard as well, decent sized backyard. Oh, and there's a little visitor friend, a Cara Mexican eagle right there. Really cool. So building's pretty much there. I'd say we're about 90%. And we just need some power. I thought I'd give you a video update. That way you can see. This was a video walkthrough and update for 5426 Devil's Gate. Thanks for touring.